Hi Crafty Angels, Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another today's prayer for you guys. And as soon as my Bibles come in, I will be reading the scriptures that are listed on here. Okay, and today's one's blessed to be the Lord who daily loads us with benefits. God of our salvation. Psalms 68:19. Okay, that is the prayer for today. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be blessed, be caring, be loving, take care, stay safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.